iOS 26 Passwords app update. Full login history now available. At last, Apple has given its native iOS password manager a meaningful upgrade that users have been waiting for. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a feature that could significantly change how you manage your online security. But here's where it gets controversial. Many users have felt frustrated by the Passwords app's limitations until now. So what exactly has changed, and why does it matter? When Apple introduced the Passwords app with iOS 18, it felt like a step in the right direction toward helping users safely store and access passwords, passkeys, codes, and Wi-Fi credentials directly on their devices. It's an app that millions rely on, especially those who prefer not to use third-party password managers like 1Password. After all, once you verify your identity using Face ID, this app lets you easily browse through your saved login information and alerts you if any of your passwords are reused or compromised in known data breaches. However, despite its usefulness, the app had some key gaps. For example, when iOS 18 launched, the Passwords app couldn't store credit card details. That functionality remained exclusive to the Wallet app. Fast forward to iOS 26, and Apple has now introduced this credit card storage feature within Wallet, streamlining how you manage sensitive information across your device. But the real game changer in iOS 26, something many users overlooked until recently, is the new ability for the Passwords app to save the entire version history of your login credentials. As first reported by 9to5Mac, this addition solves one of the most common headaches for users: accidentally overwriting a password or creating a new one, but forgetting to update the corresponding website or service. This can lead to frustrating lockouts and security concerns. Now, with iOS 26, also available on iPadOS 26 and macOS Tahoe, you can view not only your current passwords, but also every previous version you've used. This means that if you accidentally change something or can't remember the last password, you can easily revert to or check your history. It's a relatively subtle update, but for anyone who manages multiple accounts or frequently changes passwords, this feature is a lifesaver. This enhancement reflects Apple's growing commitment to user security and convenience, but it also raises an interesting question. Should password managers keep history logs as a standard? On one hand, saving password versions can prevent lockouts and ease recovery. On the other hand, it could pose risks if someone unauthorized accesses your device, even with Face ID protection. What do you think? Is this a brilliant improvement, or does it introduce new vulnerabilities? iOS 26 is expected to officially launch later this fall, though a public beta is already available for those eager to test these new features firsthand. Whether you're a longtime Apple devotee or simply looking for smarter ways to protect your digital life, the latest Passwords app update in iOS 26 is definitely worth a closer look.